If you've ever presented something that sounded good in the room, but nothing happened afterwards, this video is for you. So stick around and stay tuned. In the next minute or so, we'll be showing you how to pressure test a presentation before the meeting by reviewing it through the eyes of the person that you are actually pitching it to. Most presentations fail quietly, not necessarily because the idea is bad, but because the real concerns of the audience aren't actually addressed. We're going to use ChatGPT as our tool of choice to act as our decision maker so we can see exactly what builds confidence, what creates doubt, and what would stop this moving forward. Start a new chat in ChatGPT. You could also do this in another chatbot like Claude or Gemini. First, upload your presentation or the pitch that you want feedback on. This can be a slide deck, a proposal, or a strategy document. Next, I'm going to paste the prompt that will pop up on screen now. This prompt tells ChatGPT not to help improve the presentation, but to become the person it's being presented to. The real goal here is realism, not necessarily politeness or fixing our presentation. Before reviewing the presentation, ChatGPT asks me a series of questions to define the persona. They'll come in like this, and you'll answer them, and then you'll hit enter. You'll answer each question, and you'll hit enter again. This matters because presentations don't succeed in general. They succeed with a specific person in mind. Through these persona questions, we're clarifying who they are, what they're accountable for, what they're nervous about, and what they don't actually have patience for. Once the persona is defined, ChatGPT reviews the presentation entirely from that perspective. You'll see immediately what it trusts, what feels unclear, the exact questions it would ask, and whether this would actually move forward or not. Instead of asking an AI tool, does this sound good, and getting a sort of yes man response, you're actually asking, would this person actually say yes? Fixing the presentation before the meeting is a lot easier than wondering why nothing happened after. Thanks for watching. Apply this to your next presentation and stay tuned for the next one.